So I think I was not audible before. I'm sure that you all can hear me now. So here you see the first question, which is based upon coding and decoding. Coding decoding question based questions have not been very common in CAT. Common kya? Rather, probably this is the first time I saw a set on coding decoding. Generally, they don't ask you questions based upon that. मतलब मुझे जहां तक याद है मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूं कोडिंग डिकोडिंग का क्वेश्चन बट दैट टू इज नॉट ऑफ द टिपिकल कोडिंग डिकोडिंग टाइप दैट अपीयर्स इन द अदर एग्जामिनेशंस हियर आल्सो दे हैव शोन दैट इट इज द कैट एग्जाम और कैट आपसे इतने आसान क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेगा तो उस तरह का उन्होंने शो भी किया है इसको सो लेट्स सी whether you are able to figure it out or not. If not, let's start doing it then. And I'm sure you all know that recently we are having this beautiful, I would say, tool for you that is the CAT counseling. So, here on the chat box, you see a CAT counseling form. The link is there. By going on this link, you just have to fill up this form and you can have a one-to-one counseling with us for all kind of questions that you might be having regarding your preparation, regarding MBA, regarding the colleges, the number of seats, the syllabus, or everything, right? So it can be a session as long as you want, but and it is a one-to-one session which you can have through which you can just get an answer for all your questions which are there regarding your preparation. Do take help of it. So I'll start discussing this question now. It says that this is the sentence: Peacock is designated as the national bird of India. This is coded as these numbers are given to us. The coding scheme is case sensitive. That means whether the letter is capital or small, it does not make a difference. Each letter has a unique code, which is a single digit from 1 to 9. Every letter has a unique code, not necessarily different. Every letter has a unique code. That means if A has a code, right, of let us say 5, then it does not have any other code. So different letters might have the same code, but one letter cannot have different codes. The digit 9 codes 2 letters and every other digit codes 3 letters. So 9 is represented by 2 of the letters. The other digits are represented by 3 of the letters. The code for a word is constructed by arranging the digits corresponding to its letters in a non-decreasing sequence. Non-decreasing का मतलब ये generally होता है increasing, but if they are equal तो ऐसे में हम लोग increasing ना बोल के non-decreasing बोल देते हैं कि decrease नहीं होना चाहिए, equal है तो वो जो है equal हो सकते हैं लेकिन decrease नहीं करना आपको किसी भी stage पे. That's what they meant over here. Okay. So let's start doing it. Then I have written all the information on the next page and I'll start solving it from here. Of course, it is written in a little large font. वो ताकि आराम से समझ में आ जाए इसलिए मैंने इस तरीके से लिख दिया है. And now we'll try to figure out that which letter is represented by which digit. कौन सा letter किस digit से represent हो रहा है? That to discuss now. चलिए बात करते हैं इसके बारे में. Now, when I look at these codes, Peacock is designated as National Bird of India. So peacock is basically 568889. Is 35. Designated is 113555678. As is 56, so on and so forth. Now, as he said that every digit is represented by a letter or 2 letters or 3 letters, but 9 is represented by 2 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is represented by 2 letters. All the other digits are represented by 3 letters. That's what he's saying. Every other digit is represented by 3 letters, but 9 is represented by only 2 letters. This is what we have to figure out. कि कौन कौन सा लेटर कहां कहां पर आएगा ये हम लोगों का काम है. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई टू फिगर आउट कैसे करेंगे इसको. So first of all, of course, I'll start with the smallest word जैसे is है. Is has a code of 35. That means one of I and S is 3. One of I and S is 5. Then I have as. It is again a 2-letter word as. So one of A and S is 5. One of A and S is 6. Now these two words have S common. these two words have S common. Among the codes, they have 5 common. So that straight away means that S has a code of 5. And if S is having a code of 5, I must be having a code of 3. And from here I can say A must be having a code of 6. So I represents 3, right? S represents 5. Here S represents 5 and A represents 6. So ऑर्डर के बारे में उसने पहले ही बोल दिया है. वी हैव जस्ट अरेंज्ड द डिजिट्स इन नॉन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. तो ये मत सोचेगा एज में तो A पहले आ रहा है तो 5 पहले आया है तो 5 शुड बी फॉर A. नो, they have just written the let codes of A and S and arranged them in decreasing non decreasing order. Same they have done for is as well. तो यही वो दोनों जगह पे कर रहे हैं. तो आप ऐसा मत सोचेगा कि वो तो A पहले आ रहा है तो पहले वाला कोड A का होना चाहिए, S बाद में आ रहा है तो S वाला कोड बाद में होना चाहिए. They have clearly told us about this. ठीक है. So I, A and S are representing 3, 5 and 6. तो जहां भी I, A, S आएगा उनके कोड्स में 3, 5, 6 आएंगे, वो मैं हटा देता हूं. It will be a little easy for us. For example, here if A is there, so A must be representing 6, so I'm just removing them. Here when S is there, S must be representing 5. Let me remove 5. A is here, so A must be representing 6, so 6 is here. I is here, so I must be representing 3, so 3 is also gone. So by that logic, we would be able to get some of the values very fast. Let's check, move ahead. So यहाँ पे A is there, so A must be representing 6, so let me remove 6 from here. I is here, I must be representing 3, so I'll remove 3 from here. Another A is there, that would again represent 6, so I would again remove 6 from here. That all is gone. Bird has an I and that I is for 3, so this 3 is gone from here. O, F, then again I have an I represents 3, let's remove 3. Once again I have an I represents 3, let's remove 3. Then I have an A represents 6 as well. So these all are gone. From the remaining letters and remaining digits, I would be able to figure them out a little faster. So therefore, by doing this process, I'm going ahead with it so that this will give me a faster approach. Now look at this word over here, national. I'm only left with N, T, O, N, L. N, T, O, N, L, in which N is repeated twice. And I see that among the codes, only 6 is repeated twice. So can I say N must be representing 6 here, right? N must be the code for 6. So N is representing 6. So wherever N is there now, you can say 6. And immediately I get to know that D represents 1, right? In India now, only D is left. So D represents 1. So I would write D, which is representing 1. Wherever N is there, N is representing 6. Let's remove it. Peacock does not have an N and other places. Now I know that D represents 1. So let's remove D from here. So D would be representing 1 over here. And here also I have D. So D represents 1. Let's remove here. And that's all. So till now we have got all these informations. I have got the codes for D, I, S, A and N. What about this now? In word national, I have T, O and L left. T, O and L. And the codes are 1, 8 and 9. The point is, out of 1, 8, 9, 8 is here in the, and out of T, O, L, T is here. So can I say T must be representing 8 because T is the only common letter in the and national, and 8 is the only common code amongst them. So T represents 8, I can surely say. So wherever T is there, I can just remove 8 from there. So because T is representing 8. Also D was representing 1, so let's remove D from here. Let's have 1 from here. Now look at this word designated. I am left with E, G and E. E is twice. The only code which is twice is 5. That means E represents 5. So if E represents 5, that automatically means that G represents 7. So E is 5, G is 7. So E is 5 and G is 7. If E is 5, so यहाँ से भी E 5 चला गया है. So H represents 4. That means H represents 4. So E is 5, H represents 4, and E is 5, H represents 4. What else? That's it. Till now we have got all of this. I'm sure that this is clear to all of us. अब हम सबको समझ आ गई ये सारी बातें अभी तक की. Now we talk about O and F. They have codes of 7 and 9. So one of O and F is 7, one of O and F is 9. I see O is here as well, right? And here as well. So one is sure that O is definitely 9 because Peacock does not have a 1. National has a 1, but O must be having 9 then. So that means O represents 9 and L represents 1. So O represents 9, L represents 1. If O represents 9, that means F represents 7. So F has represented 7 here. F का 7 पता लग गया. O has represented 9, तो 9 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, right? Now we are left with P, C, C and K here. P, C, C and K. Now C is repeated. So either C will be 8 or C will be 9. If C is equal to 8, so can I say two 8s are for C, then P and K, they both are represented by 9. But if P and K are represented by 9, O is already represented by 9. 9 will be a code for 3 letters. Whereas he has clearly told us that 9 is a code for only 2 letters. So for sure, I can say C must be having a code of 9. C must be having a code of 9. So P and K, they both are having a code of 8. P and K, they both are having a code of 8. And after that, about B and R, I do not have any, information about them. So one of B and R would be here. One of B and R would be here because they are represented by 3 and 4. And now we have got all the data with us that which letter is represented by which digit. And after that, we can just do all our questions. From this, we have figured out whatever we had to do. Let's start doing questions. I have written all of this in a simple table over here that you can see. Okay. I think I missed something. There was a K in it as well. Probably this table is not complete. Yes, this TPK is also remaining. Now, what can be concluded about the code for the letter L? L का code क्या है? The L has a code of 1. So, my answer is option A, that is equal to 1. So, first question has an answer of option A, that is equal to 1. Second question now. What best can be concluded about the code for letter B? The code for letter B, it is either 3 or 4. So, my answer is option D, that it is either 3 or 4. Next, for how many digits can the complete list of letters associated with the digits be identified? For none of them I can find out the third letter except this, right? So for 8 we have all the 3 letters, and for 9 there are only 2 letters, so we have both of them. So that means for 8 and 9 we have the complete list of letters associated with them. So there are 2 letters with which we can do that. So 2 is the answer for question number 3. And finally, question number 4, which set of letters cannot be coded with the same digit? So can SUV be coded with the same digit? The answer is no, because S is coded with 5. If U and V are also coded with 5 and E is also coded with 5, 5 cannot be a code for 4 letters. So by that logic, I can say straight away option A is my answer. Can I, B, M be same? Yes, I, B and M might be same if R goes there. That's a possibility. Can X, Y, Z be same? Yes, X, Y, Z might be represented by digit 2. Can S, E, Z be same? Yes, S and E are already there represented by 5. Z also be 5. तो बाकी सभी possibilities है except SUV. So which set of letters cannot be coded with the same digit? The answer is option A, that is SUV, and that's the right answer for this question. I'm sure you all have understood these 4 questions. That was the first set. As I said before, हालांकि कोडिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन कैट देता नहीं है, बट अगर वो क्वेश्चन कोई बनाते हैं इस तरह का, इट विल बी ए ब्रिलियंट क्वेश्चन. एज यू कैन सी, प्योरली लॉजिक बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, nothing else is required to do such questions. I'll move ahead now to the second set on your screen. Question number 5 to 8. This is the data for that. I'm sorry, I forgot to remove that table. So let me just remove it once. Yes. So now let's start reading this information first, and after that we'll be moving ahead. एक बार आप सब लोग इसको पढ़ लीजिए, फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. Just look at it once. Music, or I'll try to take that up in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so let's start doing it. Each visitor to an amusement park needs to buy a ticket. Tickets can be platinum, gold, or economy. Visitors are classified as old, middle-aged, or young. The following facts are known about visitors and ticket sales. So what I have done, I have made a small table. All that data I have written on this page now. So I have just written that platinum, gold, and economy tickets, how many of them are old aged, middle aged, or young aged? Total number of people I would be writing at the end. First information says 140 tickets per sold. That means the total number of people is 140. Total number of tickets is 140. The number of middle-aged visitors was twice the number of old visitors. Middle-aged is twice the number of old visitors. That means if they are old visitors are X, then middle visitors are 2X. While the number of young visitors was twice the number of middle-aged. तो young जो है वो middle-aged का भी twice है 4x. So ultimately, I can say the total number of visitors is x plus 2x plus 4x. It is given as 140. So 7x is equal to 140. That means x is equal to 20. और जैसे ही मेरे पास x20 आ गया, I can get the exact number of visitors over here. Old visitors हो गए 20, middle aged हो गए 40 और young हो गए 80. So 20, 40 and 80 is the total number of visitors of old, middle aged and younger group. Okay, now नेक्स्ट इज, ये भी यूज कर लिया हम लोगों ने. थर्ड पे आते हैं. यंग विजिटर्स बॉट 38 ऑफ 55 इकोनॉमी टिकट्स दैट वर सोल्ड. Young ones have bought 38 of 55. So 55 economy tickets are there, let's say. So young people have bought 38 out of them. So of course the other two people have bought the remaining tickets, which is 17. And they bought half the total number of platinum tickets that were sold. Platinum tickets जितने भी थे उसका हाफ उन्होंने लिया है. अब अगर प्लेटिनम टिकट्स में पी ले लूं तो उसका हाफ पी बाई टू बनेगा. रादर देन अज्यूमिंग एनी नंबर, तो मैं उसको 2p ले रहा हूं, राइट, सो दैट दे वुड बिकम p, ताकि मुझे फ्रैक्शंस ना लेने पड़े. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्लेटिनम टिकट्स इज 2p. सो आई कैन से दैट द यंग पीपल हैव टेकन p नंबर ऑफ टिकट्स. ये भी यूज कर लिया. The number of gold tickets bought by old visitors was equal to the number of economy tickets bought by old visitors. Gold और economy वो कह रहा है दोनों बराबर है. So let us say gold tickets are X, then economy tickets are also equal to X. So can I say this is 20 minus 2X? पहली बात तो ये श्योर हो गई, X की टर्म्स में लिख सकता हूं. And can I say it is 17 minus X, क्योंकि 55 में से 38 निकाल दिया तो ये दोनों का सम 17 बन रहा था. सो दिस बिकम 17 माइनस एक्स. आई एम नॉट राइटिंग दी अदर वैल्यूज बिकॉज दे माइट बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ टू वेरिएबल्स, लेकिन ये मैं लिख सकता हूं दैट दिस इज इक्वल टू 42 माइनस पी, क्योंकि टोटल 80 है. 80 में से 38 और p मैंने माइनस कर दिया. आई गेट 42 माइनस पी. सो बेसिकली इन द होल टेबल आई हैव गॉट टू वेरिएबल्स x एंड p. उसके अलावा तीन जगह खाली भी है मेरे पास. तो प्रोबेबली इसका मतलब यह कि केसेस बनाना तो पक्का ही पॉसिबल नहीं है. दिस विल गिव मी अ लॉट मेनी केसेस. बहुत सारे केसेस बन जाएंगे. तो मैं इसी को लेके चलूंगा एंड आई विल डू इट क्वेश्चन बाय क्वेश्चन. नाउ जिलानी कह रहे हैं, हाय सर, आई गॉट 36.25 इन स्नैप, ओनली 91 परसेंटाइल, हाई कट ऑफ दिस ईयर. Looks like it is higher than Zilani. I have not gone through the results, right? In the morning itself, I came to know that the results are out. Very soon we'll come up with that. Let's see how are the cutoffs. But हाँ, 36.25 and 91 अगर आ रहा है, looks like the cutoffs are pretty high. चलिए जी, first question. So let me again, I have already written all these figures, लेकिन मैंने ये नहीं लिखा है 20 minus 2x, मैंने ये नहीं लिखा है 17 minus x, और मैंने ये नहीं लिखा है 42 minus p. उनको बाहर देख लेंगे. The number of old visitors buying platinum tickets was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying platinum tickets. Old by platinum is equal to number of middle-aged buying platinum. इसका मतलब ये भी 20 minus 2x हो जाएगा, right? This is also 20 minus 2x. देन विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग कुड बी द टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्लेटिनम टिकट्स। तो इसका मतलब 2p की वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है इनमें से, ये कह रहा है द टोटल नंबर ऑफ टिकट्स of platinum is 20 minus 2x plus 20 minus 2x plus p, right? This whole is equal to 2p basically. तो यहां से मेरे पास आ रहा है 40 minus 4x, it is equal to 2p minus p, that is p. So 40 minus 4x is equal to p. 40 minus 4x is equal to p. From here, can I surely say that p is a multiple of 4, right everyone? 40 माइनस 4x का मतलब है कि ये 4 का मल्टीपल होगा p, एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्लेटिनम टिकट्स इज 2p। तो अगर कोई 4 का मल्टीपल है और उसमें आप 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो टोटल 8 का मल्टीपल हो जाना चाहिए। दिस इज नॉट ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 8, दिस इज नॉट ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 8, दिस इज नॉट ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 8। माय आंसर शुड बी ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज इक्वल टू 32। 20 माइनस 2x अगर ओल्ड वाले थे तो 20 माइनस 2x मिडिल एज्ड भी हो गए, प्लस p शुड बी इक्वल टू 2p। वहां से p मेरा आया 40 माइनस 4x, विच शोज p इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4। और अगर p 4 का मल्टीपल है तो 2p 8 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए। ओनली ऑप्शन वाज c, सो c gave me the right answer for this very first question. I hope you understood. As I said, he would definitely be giving you question wise information, क्योंकि initial information तो ना के बराबर है, तो question wise ही पूछेगा। Let's see what happens next. Question number 6 देखते हैं। If the number of, अच्छा ये पहले मुझे मिल गया 20 minus 2x, this is equal to 17 minus x, this is equal to 42 minus p. If the number of old visitors buying platinum tickets, old visitors buying platinum tickets is 20 minus 2x, was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying economy tickets. Middle-aged buying economy 17 minus x. तो वो कह रहे 20 minus 2x 17 minus x के बराबर है, which means x is equal to 3. इससे तो x ही मिल गया मेरे को। पूछ क्या रहा है, नंबर ऑफ ओल्ड विजिटर्स बाइंग गोल्ड टिकट्स, एंड ओल्ड विजिटर्स बाइंग गोल्ड टिकट्स इज x, वो मुझे 3 ही मिल गया है। सो स्ट्रेट अवे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 हैज एन आंसर ऑफ 3। ये तो काफी ही आसान सा हो गया, इट वाज अ वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन। सीधा सीधा दोनों को इक्वेट करा, उससे x की वैल्यू आ गई, एंड वी गॉट द आंसर फ्रॉम दैट। चलिए जी आगे बढ़ते हैं 7th क्वेश्चन की तरफ। दिस इज 20 माइनस 2x, दिस इज 17 माइनस x, this is 42 minus p. आगे चलते हैं। Now it says if the number of old visitors buying gold tickets, that is equal to x, is strictly greater than the number of young visitors buying gold tickets. Young visitors buying gold tickets is 42 minus p. तो कह रहा है x is strictly greater than 42 minus p, और x plus p is greater than 42. इसका मतलब वो कह रहा है x plus p is greater than 42. देन द नंबर ऑफ मिडिल एज्ड विजिटर्स बाइंग गोल्ड टिकट। तो हम लोगों को ये वाला नंबर निकालना है कि ये कितना होगा। नाउ द पॉइंट इज, पहले तो मैं टोटल नंबर ऑफ गोल्ड विजिटर्स देख लेता हूं कितने हैं। 140 माइनस 55, दैट इज 85, सो दे आर 85 माइनस 2p। नाउ द मिडिल एज्ड गोल्ड टिकट विजिटर्स, मिडिल एज्ड गोल्ड टिकट विजिटर्स, कैन आई से दे आर इक्वल टू द टोटल, दैट इज 85 माइनस 2p minus the middle, sorry, the old ones, that is x, plus the young ones, which is 42 minus p. इस टोटल में से मैंने ये माइनस कर दिया, ये माइनस कर दिया, एंड आई गॉट द नंबर ऑफ मिडिल एज्ड पीपल हैविंग गोल्ड टिकट। तो चलिए देखते हैं कितना आता है ये। दिस इज 85 माइनस 2p माइनस x माइनस 42 प्लस p, और आई हैव 85 माइनस 42 इज 43 minus x, and minus 2p plus p is minus p, that is 43 minus x plus p. It is already given that x plus p is more than 42. अब x plus p अगर 42 से बड़ा है तो मिनिमम 43 होगा। अगर 43 रख दो x plus p को, दिस वैल्यू बिकम 0। और अगर इफ आई टेक मोर देन 43, इट विल बी नेगेटिव। अब नेगेटिव तो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हो नहीं सकते। दैट स्ट्रेट अवे मींस द नंबर ऑफ मिडिल एज विजिटर्स बाइंग गोल्ड टिकट्स वाज डेफिनेटली 0 ओनली, और कोई चारा ही नहीं है। सो द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज 0। फिर देख लीजिए एक बार, वी गॉट x प्लस पी इज मोर देन 42, और क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है 43 माइनस एक्स प्लस पी। अब x प्लस पी 42 से बड़ा है तो कम से कम 43 होगा। 43 पे वैल्यू 0 बनती है, और 43 से बड़ा ले लूंगा तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगी। नेगेटिव पीपल हो नहीं सकते, सो माय आंसर इज 0 फॉर दिस 7th क्वेश्चन। एंड दिस ब्रिंग्स अस टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ऑफ दिस डेटा सेट। Which of the following statements must be false? जो गलत ही होगी वो बतानी हम लोगों को। चलिए देखते हैं। The number of old and middle aged visitors buying economy tickets were equal. ओल्ड एंड मिडिल एज विजिटर्स बाइंग इकोनॉमी टिकट्स, वो कह रहा है ये एक्स है, तो क्या ये भी एक्स हो सकता है? लेट्स सी हो सकता है क्या नहीं। अब ये एक्स है और ये भी एक्स है, आपको ध्यान होगा थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने कहा था कि ये तो 17 माइनस एक्स है। अब अगर x और 17 माइनस एक्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे, आई विल गेट 2x इज इक्वल टू 17, तो x तो मेरा 8.5 आ गया। I can't have 8.5 people buying something. So first statement itself is false. यही तो वो आपसे पूछ रहा था कि ये बराबर हो सकते हैं कि नहीं, तो हमने कह दिया नहीं हो सकते, बिकॉज दिस इज गिविंग मी एक्स एज अ फ्रैक्शन, और फ्रैक्शन में हमारे नंबर ऑफ पीपल हो नहीं सकते। सो फॉर द एट्थ क्वेश्चन स्ट्रेट अवे ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर, and that was the last question of the day. I hope you like the class, and if you are looking for CAT 2024 preparation as well now, so the most comprehensive program that you can find probably for preparation is at BYJU'S exam prep. And if you want to see actually how do we teach, what exactly do we give you, what kind of classes are there, currently you can unlock a 3 days free trial access to our programs by putting your mobile number on the app. Start a free trial for 3 days. You can watch all our material, all our videos. Through that you will get an idea that what do we teach, how do we teach, you get an idea about that, the proper pedagogy, and then you can definitely take a decision of joining us. Also, for all the people who are appearing for Maharashtra CET, we are starting a specialized course for that. Yesterday only we started with that. In this course, we'll be having 55 plus live classes, 50 plus classes which are recorded and happened live, 250 प्लस प्री रिकॉर्डेड कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लासेस जो आपका स्टूडियो में बैठ के हम लोगों ने वो की है, आई मीन रिकॉर्ड की है, एंड दे हैव ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स कवर्ड अंडर देम, 12 mock tests which are based upon Maharashtra CET, and 3500 plus practice questions across varying level of difficulties. So this all would be given to you in this program, and currently it is being offered at a very low price. The MRP was 12,000. We gave a 50% discount initially, and now an extra 20% off is going on because the batch has just started. So you can currently get it at a very nominal price of 4,800 rupees. Join us for the course now. Also, today evening at 7 p.m. on BYJU'S exam prep app, I would be talking about a 12-month study plan to CAT 24. तो if you are preparing for CAT 24, you'll be looking for क्या क्या करना चाहिए, मंथ वाइज क्या क्या पढ़ना है, what is the syllabus, what all is there in the exam, वो सारी चीजें मैं आज डिस्कस करूंगा in CAT 2024 12 months to study plan. तो वो जरूर देखिएगा at 7 p.m. on BYJU'S exam prep app, and these are all free interactive workshops where you can directly ask me any kind of questions whichever is there on your in your mind. So just meet me at 7 p.m. today. Also, if you have any further questions, you can talk to our counselors by clicking on this button on the app. Once you download the app, you'll find this. Just speak to them for any other kind of questions. You can also follow us on all these media handles. That's all from my side, guys. I hope the session was useful for you. Please keep coming to all these sessions. We'll meet soon now in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.